got a bit of a challenge for everyone today, and that challenge is, well, it's actually, the challenge is aimed at the infamous Spicy 110. The challenge is actually aimed at Spicy 110 and the garden snake, because I've seen them basically been trying to get it on video when they're trying to tame an animal, wild animal obviously, and usually it's a donkey or a horse, and the garden snake has got a donkey on a video. And yesterday the Spice Woman, he uploaded a video of taming of herd of cows, nevertheless. And I can hear a motorbike. Told you. Very nice one. So he uploaded a video of taming a herd of cows and challenged, or basically said to Jake, garden snake, do one better. Well, I decided to take the challenge up to myself and show you the animals I have tamed. This is a challenge to you, Spicy and the garden snake, and whoever else wants to get involved with it. Who can get more animals than I can on a video? Yeah, I'm using my iPhone because my battery died on the drift, but guess what? See, I just think it's too spicy that I can't actually stroke horses, because for everyone else, horses like everyone else. I think it's just you that horses and donkeys don't like. You can stick with your cows if you want.